I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things. Your phone supports 5G and your Airtel plan includes 5G. Open Airtel Thanks, sign in with the mobile number on the eligible SIM, and let the app verify your profile. This is required so Airtel can push provisioning. Once signed in, tap the Account or Services section to see 5G eligibility. Make sure cellular data and location are enabled so the app can detect network provisioning and display activation options immediately. Proceed to the activation. Now you perform the activation steps inside the app. In My Plan or Services, find the 5G activation card and tap Activate. The app explains why activation needs provisioning. This pushes settings to your SIM and carrier profile. Accept terms, grant permissions if prompted, and wait for a confirmation message. If the app asks to restart the phone, do it. That ensures the new network settings load. Make sure you stay on mobile data during provisioning and avoid switching SIM. Finish by verifying that 5G appears in your status bar, and then run a speed test to confirm improved throughput. This proves provisioning worked. If you don't see 5G, make sure network mode is set to 5G or auto in cellular settings, and that APN settings weren't altered. Those control data routing. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache and retry activation, or use the in-app support chat to send the activation log to Airtel. They can push provisioning from their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.